welcome to a new possible series, a survival series. So let's start. Okay, let's think a name. How about this? J. Just no, two. I don't know. I want an original name. I don't know. What's a good name? Leave, please leave it in the comment section. I I will start without a name. Just let's start like survival. Leave a leave a suggestion name for this series because I don't have an idea. Please please like this video and subscribe. That's all, and let's start. Okay, loading. Building terrain, building terrain, building terrain, boom. Okay, where? Wow, it's almost Christmas and we're on a snow biome. Wow, wow, that's lucky. Okay, what will our first tree cutting? Okay, let's cut this one first. Okay, and this one, and this one. And I have a question. Do you want this AI stay? Because it's good. It's like a piece in the PC version, but it's hard to craft, Okay. Okay. Till- Why did I make stick and so many stick? Good thing I have more wood. Okay. Let's put it in here. Okay. Let's make an axe. Boom. Okay. And let's take all of our stick in our inventory and let's cut the tree slowly but surely. Okay, and this one until it breaks. Okay, and if you're watching this, please leave a comment for suggestion. What do I do in this series? Because I like survival, but I always lacking idea. Like I always full of ideas on survival, but sometimes when I play, it's only leaking. All of my ideas leaking. All out of my brain to my bed because I'm recording on my bed because I'm lazy, because I'm just a kid. Okay, I already told what I am. Just a kid, and wow, top snow. It's useful, and okay, let's gather more of wood. And let's make our first house or cave. Let me think. Let's make our house in a cave because why not? Okay. And this episode will be short because if I do it at least 20 or 10 above or 15 above, if I upload this, I will wait so long. I don't want that because I have stuff to do. So but at least I will record this at least 10 minutes, not above 10 minutes. At least 10 above, a little bit, because you know the rules. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, where I don't know where we'll put our base. Wait, I don't want to put my base in here, I think, because last time I survival on my own. I put my base here and put in a high place, like not a high place. Build a tower of food, not that high, not too short, and I make a base top. Okay, then until night I crouch and see, because I don't have a wall. I see bunch of what it called again? What's it called it again? That skeleton that lives on snow stray, I think. Okay. I will put in some kind of cave. Okay. Let's put it on which day? Okay. It's almost nighttime. Half at least. So I don't know where we'll put it. Okay. Think. I don't want to race to the top because I don't want to. I think. Let's find the spot. Let's make it on that mountain. Okay. I need to make our base fast. After I make the base, I will finish the video. And if I don't finish the house in 10 minutes, I will make it off camera. Look, a cave. Let's stay here. But first, let's go outside and find, I don't know. Let's continue to the top. I will adventure to that cave next episode. But today, this episode will be not good because I'm just starting a new series. I'm not a good YouTuber. Why did I say that? Of course, I'm just starting, so I'm not good YouTuber. No. Because I'm just training. But I know the basics. And oh yeah, I have an idea. The next upload, I think I'll make mini game on Minecraft on servers like Mineplex. I will record that. If you know, they release a new game called Ender Run. I think I already played that. It's hard because I'm loser. I'm weak on parkour. I said it. I said that I give up climbing that mountain. I'm not ready yet, so let's make it here and fast. Okay. There's that many. Let me take this. Okay? And I have an idea for our original base. I think I will make a sky base oh, or a spaceship, because why not, or a ship. I will fly down on an ocean and make my base there. And I have a last question. And oh, it's already 10 minutes. I don't see that. Okay. I will finish the video now. I will do this off camera. Okay. Before I finish this, I have a question. Please leave in the comment section. One last time, I'm saying how I can edit my videos, because I don't know. I mean, edit that I can edit my like I can edit how I can cut like this, because I want cutting. I don't want the boring things on camera, because I if when I watch videos like grinding, some game they grinding, but they repeating, just they cut the video like shortcut to, you know that. Okay, please please tell me what app should I use, and how to make a thumbnail on an Android. I'm using Flare, Cherry Mobile, Android. Okay, that's end of my video. Please subscribe and like the video. So, goodbye and enjoy this series. Yeah.